Hi guys, welcome back. Due to popular demand, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial today on the Hip Dot and Evanescence makeup palette. I got this for Christmas, luckily enough. I've wanted it for a really long time and I absolutely love the colors inside it. So you guys asked me to do a tutorial and I'm here to do it today. All the colors I'm wearing on my face right now, from my eyes to my nose to the shimmer to my lips, all of it is from the palette. So if you have any questions along the way, please just leave in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new here, don't forget to drop a sub and drop a like as well. I'd really appreciate it.
Here's a quick look at the promo shot of the palette. Each color is a track from the Evanescence Fallen album. There's 8 colors, so the 8 tracks are Hello, Imaginary, Taking Over, My Immortal, Everybody's Fool, Bring Me to Life, Haunted, and Going Under. We're going to start on the eyebrows and I'm using Hello to fill them in. It's such a pigmented black and goes on so smooth, honestly 10 out of 10. Using Hello again for the darkest corner of the eye, I'm blending it out into Everybody's Fool all the way up to the eye socket. Using Everybody's Fool under my eye to create a nice depth to the makeup. Beautifully pigmented dark navy blue, also a 10 out of 10 for me, and blends well with the other colors in the palette. I'm going to use my favorite color in the palette now, My Immortal, to line out my crease, both over and below my eyes. This color is so pretty. I love the shimmer. It sits on the skin so well. Honestly, 11 out of 10. I will always be going back to this. Just to make sure the makeup is as fresh as possible, I like to go over the first few steps to make the black and navy pop. If you like a nice fade out effect on your eyeshadow, I'm completing mine with Haunted. The blue has a beautiful shimmer effect to it and looks beautifully blended out around your temples and cheekbones. Now get a wet wipe and take off any excess makeup from your eyelid area. Now I'm going to use my Go-Ho face and body paint stick as a base for going under. You can buy this for a very reasonable price on Amazon and a great makeup base. The shade Going Under is a beautiful white highlight for cheekbones, eyebrows, nose, and just about any area you want to highlight. 11 out of 10 for me. There's really no secret to the eyeliner. All you need is a good liquid eyeliner with a fine tip. When I was in Ireland, I used Rimmel London Exaggerate Eyeliner, and now in Finland, I use Kik Cosmetics Black Liquid Eyeliner. My black lipstick is a black liquid lip from UK brand Jolie Beauty. Beautiful classic packaging and a great pigment. Lining out my lips with Everybody's Fool and blending it out into My Immortal.
And this is the final look. If you have any questions on any of the products I use besides the Evanescence palette, please just ask me. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and hopefully see you next time, guys.